Greetings everybody. Today's video is dedicated to the cryptocurrencies EOS and Ethereum. First we'll start with EOS. This cryptocurrency so far, you can see it's had some pretty serious growth out of its consolidation zone up until a little before November. The consolidation came out of this reduction of pressure and volume on this market. Now we're finally beginning to see it form its new cycle of waves, and it's now entering this development stage of what is now an upward trend. In light of this, you can really just do a bit of analysis on the chart and find a few zones where you would expect these waves to end. But don't worry, I'll do that part for you. So we see that currently we have already formed waves 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now we're in the stage of forming wave 5. The target zone, which is the price around where you can expect the end of this wave, is around the district of $1.80. This price range is marked on the chart with a red rectangle. But if you're a bit impatient, you could already get out of your position on this coin and wait to enter it again after the composition of wave 2. Additionally, there is another wave 5 cycle that is just starting to be formed, but this cycle is only in the formation of its first stage. It looks to be reaching the top of its first wave, which is around 75 cents. But you could still get a few gains from this first wave if you enter now and leave in the area of $1.44. The situation with these longer term waves is that it looks like the wave 2 will begin in the near future. After that, we can start looking to where to enter to get gains on the whole wave 3 as well. Now it's time to move to a currency which was around much longer than EOS, Ethereum. Going through its course for this past month, the charts show us that there's been a lot of unstable movement. But what we can say is that now we're finally starting to begin the formation of wave 5. What I've done here is, after wave 4 was completely finished forming, a target zone could be determined for wave 5. That target zone is around $364 and $420. I'm more inclined to say that it's going to likely be around the $364 mark. This is because the way that the waves are developing, $364 is the minimum mark for the end of this wave. Everything else above that is pretty uncertain. In the second, more immediate wave cycle, we've already completed waves 1 and 2. So now we're in the formation of wave 3, where you can enter the market in a stop position slightly lower than the top of wave 1. This price is around $265. This stop position is mainly for those who are okay with the higher risk, but as you know, higher risk, higher reward. For those that don't want to take that higher risk, a more conservative stop position would be in the range of $281 and $283, which is at the wave's peak. Although you could just enter a long position, and since the longer term wave pattern here shows that we are at the base of wave 5, you could enter these prices and hold on until the end of wave 5. Or just enter at the current levels, which is around $315, and do the same thing by just waiting until the end of wave 5. But if you do this, you'll surely not make enough profit as you would entering at the stop positions mentioned earlier. Once again, those stop positions were $265, which is one for those who chose the higher risk, and the second one was $281 to $283, which is a safer one because the price will at least reach here before continuing upwards. We will continue to monitor further developments on Ethereum based on these wave principles, but until then, I wish you the best of luck, and until next time.